Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Lexus NX 300H in Nebula Gray Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6511A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.